See, never before have I sat and told my full story, cause I don't think these years of ignorance deserve glory. But now I feel myself getting closer to death. I'ma write this book and do these talks so there no talks left. And I love my brothers that was there from early, yeah. Mustafa Abu Ali, Ibn Salim, Muhammad Ismail, Dawood, Muslim, Belal, Chin, Israfil, Ismail, Abdulaziz, Umar, Ali, Abdullah, Isa, Majai, Sha'id, Jamal ad-Din, Shamsuddin, Nice Deep, Talib, Hamza, the love so real I can't even speak. Stretton Mus was crazy, Juma week after week. From 02 to 05 got the strongest team. We're united on this real life, no more dreams. And I can't forget my real brother Abdul Haq. Look how our lives turn around at can we found this Haq. Yeah, we was in the Evening Standard posted up. What they said, them Muslim boys have gone crazy, the streets gone nuts. I know those mums thinking their sons have all gone mad. Cause we turn Gypsy to Saudi and Phil's to Baghdad. See, they don't understand the story and how real it was. Like I wanna stand on stage and talk for the hype or buzz. Cause we had the young ones in the clubs and they're carrying guns. And they're saying, in the name of Allah, hand over your funds. See, now I put my hands up cause I know it was wrong. But we didn't have no teachers then to learn from. It was like a bottom of a man's shoe where we come from. It was like living in a zoo where we come from. Ask Abdul Rahim, Shotgun Mo, or my brother Jamil. We didn't know what life or success could come from this hill. But it's like Allah turns street boys to the realest men. Now they're paying me to talk to street boys, I relate to them. And now I'm bumping into some of my brother's sons. And they look the same way we look, they're carrying guns. But it's worse for them, they got Instagram, they got Snapchat. They expose themselves to too much, the more they see, the more they wanna have that. And these girls care less about real love and more about handbags. So these boys work less on the character and more of their money act. So I feel blessed that I was blessed to travel this world. I see there's more to life than materials and girls. I was handing out food packs with charity right in Malaysia. I was in America on that podium giving a lecture. I was in Indonesia in that school delivering workshops. I'ma do these good deeds inshallah till my life stops. And when this life stops and it all comes to an end, I know it's just me on my own, no family and no friends. See, never before have I told my full story, nah.